In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then do exactly the same with your second app. Now with both apps open in the background, decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. When you're ready, click at those three dots at the top right corner of the chosen one. Then click on Split Top and tap on your second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!